Oh, had a bite. About time I got one of them dudes, man. Yeah, it was being a pump. Oh, and he swallowed it dang there, man. And that was a quick jerk. Little old crappie. All right. Another little crappie. Oh yeah, raising it slowly. Yeah. Oh, little blackie. By the tree, mom's tree. Huh? Yeah, little blackie. All them little spots. Tail all ripped up. You almost got caught by something, didn't you, buddy? Yeah, see, it's right there. Oh, little perch. Or is that a crappie? Let me see what we got.
No, it's a perch.
Is it a perch? Yeah.
It's got the little black dots on its ears.
Yeah, yeah, the red ear, yeah. That, damn, what was that? Oh no, that was on the top of the cover. Yeah, that was a good little old whatever. Almost like somebody threw something in there. I don't know what that was. What would make that sound? That's probably a keeper, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep him or not. I'm gonna go ahead and slap him in there anyway if he is. Up at the top. I got this much line out, but I still got it at 9 foot, but I'm leaving like probably 3 or 4, yeah, a few feet up. Well, like I said, once I oh yeah, once I go to where I'm seeing about where the top of it is, you know, when I pull up and I see about where the top of it is, when you go over one of them, I see right about where the top of it is, and I see how much line's out of the water. And I try to go, instead of going down into the stuff, I just went over top of it. I just pitched it and see now, like now I'd raise it up. If I know there's cover there, yeah, I'll show you here in just a second. Oh, that was, you see my line jump? Oh, that one was up high too. Catch them like, I can't catch them like that. Yeah, I came in. I cannot catch them on the slow pull down. Another one that's close, but man, I don't think I'm gonna keep these today. Ain't getting enough anyway. No, you're gonna be, ooh, just short. Ooh. Shit. Oh, there he goes again. There he goes again. I felt it. I'm like, there he goes again. Little rascal. Nice little pretty iridescent purple. Get on out of here, boy. Let's see if we can get another one under that. Oh, sorry, dude. You came off. If you hadn't came off, you wouldn't hit the hit the pier. That was on the other side. Still got my nibble.
They came up and hit it.
Uh-huh. They up high. And yeah, that's a keeper, I think. But nice, pretty black crappie. Come on, calm down, boy. If you can say you want to slide up under there. Yeah, he's a keeper. Pretty fish. Pretty black crappie. Make sure. But I'm pretty sure he's hitting the 10 mark. Oh yeah, he is, but man, barely.
Oh.
All he has to do is touch. If he was flat out like that, he wouldn't. But you can do it any way you can, and that side won't.
Yeah.
But that one. Ooh. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep him, man. I'm gonna let him go today. There you go, buddy. Oh, that's a nice one too. Nice crappie. Yes, sir.
He got it on the fall.
Black
Saw the
crappie.
line slack there.
Yeah, a little black. Oh, you saw your line slack? Yeah. That's a nice little black crappie. Oh yeah. Nice little blackie. He was up high. He got yanked out fast because he wasn't very deep. Sorry, buddy. You went for a little ride, did you? Little black crappie was at the top. Pretty little rascal. Oh, how did he do that? Oh my gosh, how did that little fish? It was all perfect till he hit it. Look at that.
Oh my.
What did he do? He tore that thing up. Gosh, Lee, Krabby. That's a little good. Yeah, you gotta bend them. I'm glad I bent all them the other day, or Will and them been coming up without fish. Ooh. Just letting it swim down to it. That's it. Just letting it swim down to hit it.
Are you going like having it deep? Or just on top?
Yeah, it was just, just going over the top of it. And that. There you go. Good one. Good fight. Yeah, bass. They don't care. They eat anything. Just shove off over there. There you go, boy. There you go. And like I said, I put my rod up. It was a keeper too. But I put my rod up under there and caught one too. Up under there. So yeah, as long as there's shade, they'll. Good one. That looked like good. Yeah, them were crappie hitting that thing, ain't they? Yeah, that's a good one. You get used to that crappie fishing. There's another good little old crappie. Oh yeah, good one.